Hello, and welcome to another episode of the Seasonal Tokens Podcast, where Polar interviews people so you can do more investing and less gambling.
Hello everyone, it is Polar here, the CMO of Seasonal Tokens. And today in the Seasonal Tokens podcast, we have the amazing pleasure to have the First Lady on the show. So welcome, Trinity.
Thank you for this wonderful introduction, Polar. I'm very happy to be here.
Yeah, it is my pleasure. Let's start with the question that I ask everyone else. Can you introduce yourself and your background with a few words?
So, hello everyone. My name is Trinity, and I work at Seasonal Tokens as the lead tech guru and investor liaison. I have experience in a wide range of areas, including crypto and blockchain fundamentals, tech, design, social media, content creation, and business and research. I oversee the Tech Guru team and take care of everything tech related. Reach out to me on Discord if you're having any technical problems or problems with the project in general, and I'll be happy to assist you over call or chat.
Okay, amazing background. Like I heard a lot more than expected. So maybe you have been dealing with a lot of stuff during your life. Like from all these things that you just mentioned, which one is the most interesting for you?
Definitely tech and design. Design has always been a very big passion in my life since I was young. I used to draw a lot and enjoy doing art. And later on, I discovered my passion for tech. And I decided to find a way to combine both. And that's how I'm here.
Okay, that's really interesting. Can you share how exactly you're combining both?
Sometimes I have to do not just strictly tech-related things. I have to also design documents, design the recent guide for seasonal tokens. And it's fun to do. So I use my design experience to implement that in such things.
Okay, so you are making some technical documents and make them look nicer with your design skills.
Absolutely.
Okay, that's amazing. So before we start with crypto questions, I suppose people would be very interested to find out why Trinity.
I think everyone knows the movie The Matrix, and there's one character, two main characters, Neo and Trinity. They're usually, partners in everything. And the first time I watched the movie, I was really fascinated by Trinity, and I decided to use her name as my nickname in crypto.
Okay, yeah, I think that everyone knows this movie. If you don't know this movie, you should definitely watch it dozens of times, not once, because there is a lot of wisdom in this movie. So I highly recommend you to watch it many times. So you are Trinity. I suppose that one day we'll have Neo, but now we just have Trinity on our podcast. So Trinity, what has attracted you to crypto?
The beauty of cryptocurrencies is that they allow you to instantaneously transfer money or assets to anybody, anywhere, in any moment, at any time, with the confidence that you will get exactly what you ask for, without disclosing sensitive personal information, or running the risk of theft, for example, or having to bribe someone. That on its own is quite unique. And I also truly believe in distributed ledger technology, or DLT for short. To explain it for you guys in simpler terms, it is a digital system for tracking asset transactions, in which the transactions and their details are logged simultaneously in several locations. Some of the main benefits of this is decentralization, greater transparency, and easier auditability. I'm convinced that this technology will improve how future generations live, share data, exchange property, and it will revolutionize business and the financial sector.
Absolutely, yeah. Crypto is definitely a future. This is what I believe. It has started changing our life a lot, and it will change it even more. Like we have talked with Tears in the previous episode, a lot of the greatest minds in the world are jumping in crypto, and a lot of new things are developed thanks to it, and a lot more will be developed very soon. So I definitely agree with what you're saying, and crypto will definitely help with the financial system, but I believe that it will help us with a lot more than just that. So you're interested in crypto, and from what I have found so far with all the people that have been talking about crypto is that maybe like 99% of them are also investing in crypto. So are you actively investing in crypto too?
Oh, absolutely. I began trading and investing on my own last year. But before making any investments, I took my time to research crypto and to understand it better. And I know it may seem intimidating at first because, it's a whole new world and it's very different from what we're used to, but it's very much worth it. It is a rapidly developing field and there's a lot happening every day, so you have to keep up.
Yeah, it's a new asset. I would say like very soon, I believe we'll see the big Wall Street guys come to crypto, even though I believe some of them have already jumped in it. They're just not telling this to the world because they want to have the cheapest possible price for them. But this is another story, I believe. So we are hearing everywhere that people are saying before investing, you have to do your own research, but nobody is actually telling you what you should research. In most of the cases, what people do is just going to the website, and very rarely they're even checking the white paper. So when you're saying that you have done your research before starting with crypto investing, have you made some sort of a list with things that you want to research before investing, or you have just checked the websites, the white papers, or something like that?
Well, it's definitely good to check the website and the white paper. And I would also add to check out the team of the project, see what they're doing, get to know who's running this project. And personally, I'm more of a technical person and I like to understand things on a technical perspective. So when it comes to crypto, when I say I research crypto, I mean I actually went fully in depth of understanding how it works. So Bitcoin, blockchain, what is an ERC20 token? How does it work? What can I do with this? Because this is for me very important. It's new and we don't know much about these things and it's changing every day. And I think it's essential that we understand such important details before we invest in anything.
Yeah, so if we don't understand the technological part of this, like you're suggesting to check the white paper, to check the website and check the team. Is this what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So this brings me to the next question, because we have started talking about crypto investing and how maybe people should do their own research. But of course, there are many more things that people can research before investing in crypto. So why do you actually think people should invest in crypto?
Okay, first and foremost, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. And to answer your question, while there are many reasons to be skeptical of digital currencies, as we've seen, many traditional investors have embraced this new asset class. And as previously stated, it is decentralized and allows you to instantly transfer money or assets anywhere at any time. Most of cryptocurrencies have a long-term, dependable store of value. And unlike fiat money, most, if not all, cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, have a finite supply that is limited by mathematical algorithms. This prevents any individual political party or government agency from diluting its value through inflation. And I honestly believe that crypto and NFTs are almost unavoidable in our social media-driven future. And considering we're in a bear market, I think it's a good time to start accumulating.
So from what I understand that you're saying that because we're going to see crypto in the future and because there isn't much about inflation and things like that going on with crypto, it's a good investment asset. Or I'm missing something?
No, I think that's about it.
Yeah.